So you know that since Monday we'll be predicting a bullish move, especially since Friday, last week Friday and this week Monday, right? We'll be predicting a bullish move on our GBPJPY, and we said it clearly that market is ranging and we would expect market to come to tap our resistance level. This is the level that I predicted for you guys. I told you guys clearly that we would be hitting a level of 214. Guess what market did? Market eventually tapped a level of 214. So this is one of the reasons why, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so that you would not miss out on any single update we'll be posting for you guys. So this is the bullish move that we were anticipating for, right? We anticipating for this bullish move since last week, and now market has eventually come to give us the level where we predicted it to give us. Now we will be expecting one more push up again on GBP JPY. Thereby, that bullish move should take out this high. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? Now, first, take a look at it. We are trending to the upside right here. So market is literally trending to the upside. Remember also, I said that we are in a ranging market move, whereby market was able to push up to tap our resistance. Then we had a rejection that made it to drop to tap our support. Market then was able to reject from the support back to our resistance. Then it rejected from the resistance back to our support. The market was able to reject from our support back to our resistance. So within this level, we should be expecting market to push up. But you all know that saying, which is trade what you see and not what you think. So that is, if we are to trade according to what we think, the market should be pushing up one more time. But if you are to trade according to what we are saying, market will most likely going to drop. Reason is that this is a rejection zone and this is also a rejection zone. So we should be expecting a rejection zone from this level. So that is to tell you that you should be looking for your sell setup. Only your sell setup you should be looking out for. If you do not see sell setup, do not take the sell. But only take the sell once you get the sell setup. And once you take the sell setup, market will most likely drop back to our support level. So most bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys later. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.